So here, this is my website. If I am promoting for any specific page through my Facebook profile, so we can add it for main URL, we can use it for sub URL also. We have the asking question. If any interview asking for one question. See here, if you go to my blog, this blog I can promote for my sample resume. Which one? Sample resume. That is called, I'm searching for my sample resume here. That 2-second page. See here. Which one? Our sample resume. Select it, copy this URL only for any specific website URL. You can promote through your Facebook profile. Why? Because Facebook profile, anyone you can see. Yes or no? Just come into your, copy this URL, go to Facebook profile. The Facebook profile, when enter the profile option here, in this, we can see in this option. Here, see, which one? Instagram, Skype, LinkedIn, YouTube. See this one. Click this, we're going to where? Our YouTube channel. Next one. See here, Twitter. What is that? Website. Here, every option is there. I can promote our specific URL. See this one. Anything will be possible. Just click for edit. The option call is here website. Click for edit. See this one. We have to promote for specific website URLs. You can promote it. You can add it here. Next one, add. So yeah, go to. I can promote for a complete one menu bar. Promote to my Facebook profile. This option call is down. Click for video tutorial and copy this option. Go to your profile. Add this. Click for save changes. If anyone asking interviews, how many websites we can promote to our Facebook profile? We can promote for n number of links. N number of links we can promoting through Facebook profile. Your Facebook page promoting only for one URL, but Facebook profile promoting for n number of URL. That is different for the Facebook profile and the Facebook page. Page called one URL branding purpose. The Facebook profile promoting for n number of page links. If anybody come into your Facebook profile, you can read about your content, increase your social icon followers, add by the website and your social icon usernames. If anybody come into in this one, open this new tab. Then you open your complete channel here. What the purpose of? Increase your subscribers, increase your followers, increase your number of things. Just here. In this one, we are adding for one YouTube channel here. Okay. Now here. Just come here. I'm adding for one more YouTube channel. Is it possible or there or not? Is it possible will be there. You can add for n number of social icons, n number of website links. Adding for where? Facebook profile. If you go to the Facebook page, only one website URL and one social media URL we can adding for Facebook page. This is the option call is Facebook profile. If anyone asking the option call is website URLs can promote using Facebook profile. Yes, there is a answer for this option.